Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume for your Earbuds CMF Buds Pro 2. You have to start by open Nothing X application, because firstly we need to set volume control to the gestures. So open Nothing X, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it in the application. Now scroll down, and we need to go to the controls. Right here we can set it only for the press and then press and hold, so double tap and hold. This actually the only option what we can use at your earbuds. So for the left earbud I wanna volume down my music, and now tap at your right earbud right here in this menu, and also tap at the double tap and hold and set volume up. Now let's check it. So the touch area is located at the top, at the back side of your earbuds. Now I play some song and I press and then press and hold. And as you can see, I just increase the volume. Now if I make the same with my left earbud, I should lower the volume. So let's check it. Press and press and hold. And as you can see, I lower the volume. But also we can add it for the smart button at your charging case. Right here we have this wheel. We can set it also for this wheel. So open again Nothing X application and go to the controls. Then tap at your charging case here in the controls menu, and we can add it only for rotate. You can't find it in another option. So rotate and click at the volume control. Now you can go back or you can hide the application, it's up to you. And now let's check it. So when I turn this button clockwise, I should increase the volume, and as you can see, I increase the volume. If you turn it counterclockwise, you will lower the volume. So let's check it, and it also works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!